In this video, I'll go over the 8 steps you need to take to add a beneficiary on the Chase app. So first, open the Chase mobile app, then next go to login using your username and password, and now go to navigate to the transfer or send money section of the app. From there, select add new recipient or add beneficiary option. Then enter the beneficiary's full name, address and account number, and choose the type of account, such as checking or savings, that the beneficiary has. Then review the information you entered to ensure it is correct, and confirm and save the beneficiary's details. Now once you have added the beneficiary, you can easily transfer money to them. Next, review the information you entered to ensure it is correct, and confirm and save the beneficiary's details. Once you have added the beneficiary, you can easily transfer money to them by selecting their name from the list of recipients in the app. So now you know how to add a beneficiary on the Chase app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.